Welcome. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to integrate NeuralSeek with WatsonX as an LLM. WatsonX is an upcoming enterprise-ready AI and data platform designed to multiply the impact of AI across your business. If you have access to WatsonX, open up your instance of NeuralSeek. If you don't have access to WatsonX, head over to ibm.com/WatsonX, select WatsonX product, and join the waitlist. You can update NeuralSeek to integrate with WatsonX by heading over to the Configure tab on the console. Once there, select LLM Details. To be able to use WatsonX, there are a couple of things users need to do beforehand. First, make sure you have either WatsonX FAN T5 XXL selected in the Large Language Model drop-down of NeuralSeek. After that, you have to enter in the LLM API key. If you don't have your API key on hand, here's how you can access it. First, visit IBM Cloud Console. Now, select Manage, then select Access IAM, and finally, API Keys. If you already have one set up, it'll be there for you to copy and paste. If not, just select Create, enter a name and description for your API key, and select Create again. Once it's created, copy the key, head back to NeuralSeek, and paste it into the LLM API key details. Save. And once you're set up, you can take a look at the benefits of using WatsonX, starting with WatsonX.ai.